Good morning, class. Today we are going to do a 3D pillow. Now, if you see the cube in your Blender 3.6, you can delete that. Next, we are going to add an object. Go here, or you can press Shift A, go to Mesh, and then select Plane. Now with this plane, you go to Object Mode, and then Edit Mode. Now you have your plane selected. Right click and subdivide. Okay, now imagine if it's not selected. Let's say it looks like this. It looks it's not highlighted. So what you can do is press A and then again right click and subdivide. You'll see the window here, subdivide. Click here and click number of cuts. Type 50, enter. Now, when it looks like this, press E on your keyboard. Drag it up around here and then left click. Now, Control R. Press Control R. You'll have a yellow line here. Now I want you to put the yellow line in between here. Left click. If it's going up and down, just press right click. Now you select, you press the S key on your keyboard to scale here. It will look like this. So once you have done that, go to Edit Mode and then Object Mode. Now, go to the modifier. This is the modifier key. And add a modifier. Go to Physics and select Cloth. If your pillow is like this, just drag the timeline to 0. Now, go to the properties. Click here, where I'm pointing at. And then, you'll see a bullet here, 3 dotted bullet points. Select the cloth presets and select leather. Go to Vertex Mask. Type 0.01 and then enter. Scroll down, go to Pressure, tick it, type 100, enter. Now go to Field Weights over here, select it and drag the gravity to 0. Now press play button. It will animate the cloth. And now you may right click it, shade smooth. So there you have it, your own pillow. Now you can use this method for the bedroom in your final project. And make sure you save your file. Thank you.